Full machine disassembly. Parts cleaning, paint and oil removal. Parts inspection and flaw detection, whole machine assembly. Whole machine experiment. Whole machine painting. For the gearbox part, we will refurbish and remanufacture the entire gearbox system, replace the new clutch plate, clutch pressure plate, release bearing, etc., and reassemble and test it. Through a series of processes including disassembly, inspection, repair, processing, assembly, testing and quality certification, the old engines and gearboxes are restored to a level close to that of new products in terms of various performance indicators, injecting new power into the truck.